My name is Hans
Hirschmann. I am responsible for hygiene at Feldkirch State Hospital. I am on the one hand a hygiene specialist, and on the other hand, my background is in health sciences. So this test is called ATP bioluminescence. This test method makes it possible to demonstrate the level of contamination on surfaces. The test was set up so that we could see the level of contamination in one area. Half of the area was cleaned with normal detergents, and the other half with ENJO products. Then we took another measurement and compared the two. How effective was the cleaning performance with normal detergents? How effective was the cleaning performance with ENJO products? The test was deliberately conducted on different surfaces that are common in normal households. Storage shelves, interior surfaces, and refrigerators. These are all areas where bacteria can multiply quickly. The result was very enlightening, because you can see that the fibre technology creates much better results. This is clearly due to the fibre structure of ENJO products. The combination of these fibers and water can remove dirt very effectively, even from deeper layers. We must be aware that when any cleaning agent is used, it will cause damage to the environment. When we use just fibers and water to clean, then this has a direct positive impact on our health.